Hey guys, I'm Jillian and you're watching Revitalize from the Inside Out. Today I have 3 beautiful, wonderful tasting smoothies to share with you. These will make a huge impact on your health. They will help to improve your overall health if you implement these into your daily habits. Each of these smoothies are made with hardcore health boosting ingredients. The combination of ingredients in these particular smoothies are great for helping to improve your complexion. So if you're looking to make your skin healthier and to improve your overall complexion, these smoothies will do the job. The anti-inflammatory properties in each of these smoothies will help to lower and decrease inflammation, which is the root cause of many diseases. These smoothies are packed with energy, so you don't have to be worried about getting hungry after having one of these. I use them to power me up through a gym session. They get me through a long run as well. They get me through part of the day until the next meal. With that said, I'm going to show you how to put it together. So let's do this. Right, so we're going to start with a bit of almond milk to prevent things from sticking to the bottom as well. Now I'm going to put in about half an apple. Apples contain vitamins A and C, which can help prevent sagging skin, and it also contains copper, which helps for brightening and toning. 1 stalk of celery, half a pear. Pears can help to reduce inflammation in the body, and it can help cut down on the pain caused by any inflammatory conditions. 1 medium carrot, and squeeze of lemon juice, and about half a teaspoon of ginger root, or a little bit more if you want to add a little extra bite to your smoothie. And I'm using less than half a teaspoon of turmeric root. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. It has been proven effective in treating multiple skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. So I'm just going to add some water to top it off, and so that this blends properly. Okay, I've decided to call this one the Sunrise Glory Smoothie. As you can tell, it's got this very rich, beautiful yellow color. It looks absolutely appetizing. Now for the ultimate taste test. This tastes like something I would absolutely enjoy having for breakfast, to be honest with you. Okay, so I can definitely taste the lemon in here. I think I taste more of the apple. And I barely noticed the turmeric root, so don't worry about that. That's a bit of a surprise ingredient. So if you do add a bit more, you will give it a bit more of a kick and a spice. However, I think this is just the right amount. So I'm going to start with some almond milk. If we add a bit of liquid first, it is going to prevent things from sticking. Now, a handful of chard and a handful of kale. I'm going to push it down into the blender. We're going to add a bit of sweetness with half an apple, half an orange, and 1 celery stalk. Celery contains sodium, which has been called a youth maintainer. It's loaded with minerals, and it contains vitamin C, which helps to maintain the elasticity in the skin. And to add a bit of zest with a squeeze of lemon juice. Lemon is an antiseptic medicinal ingredient that can help reduce a lot of skin-related issues. It can bring a lovely luminous glow to the skin as well. I'm gonna throw some mint in there, and about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of ginger, depending on how strong you like it. Ginger helps to improve blood circulation to the skin. It is also a powerful cleansing agent which helps to keep the skin free of blemishes. Now I'm just going to top it up with some water. So you can make it as liquidy or as thick as you'd like. And now we're ready to blend. And I've decided to call this one the Lean and Green Smoothie. Let's give it a taste test. It tastes a bit sweet, a bit greeny, a little bit more savory. However, I really enjoy the savory, but if you have a bit more of a sweet tooth, you could add more apple to sweeten it up for you. And if you want more of a minty taste, feel free to add more or as much mint as you'd like. Enjoy! I'm going to start with a bit of rice milk, although you can really use any milk of your choice. I'm going to add about half a small beetroot. Beetroots have been proven to help cleanse the blood. The high content of iron regenerates the red blood cells and it helps supply oxygen to the body. 1 medium carrot. Carrots help to keep the skin nourished, moisturized, and they help to prevent things like skin blemishes and psoriasis as well. It also has powerful cleansing properties which can help to treat acne. And about half an apple. And a squeeze of zesty lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to cure problems related to indigestion and constipation. And about half a teaspoon of ginger. And to top it up, I'm just going to add a bit of water. And now we're ready to blend. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and I'd love to know your opinions. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my video, give it a like and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching Revitalize from the Inside Out. I'm Jillian and I'll see you next time.